This video is about metric multipliers and unit conversions. Part 1. Complete the following table on metric multipliers. This is something you probably don't have to memorize unless your teacher is really evil. So capital P is peta, it's times 10 to the 15, which is 15 zeros. Tera is times 10 to the 12, which is 12 zeros. You might have seen the word tera like terabyte, if you're into computers. Big G is giga, which is 10 to the 9, which is 9 zeros. You've probably seen gigabyte on like a laptop. Hardware information. Big M is megabyte, 10 to the 6, which is 1 million. K is kilo, which is 10 to the 3. Maybe you've heard of kilometer or kilogram. Hecto is 100. Deca is 10. Deci is 1 over 10. Centi is 1 over 100. Milli is 1 over 1,000. Micro is 1 over 1,000,000. Nano is 1 over 1,000,000,000. Pico is 1 divided by 10 to the 12. And femto is 1 divided by 10 to the 15. So part 2, let's talk about unit conversions. Determine the number of hertz in 3.5 gigahertz. So what's highlighted in yellow is very important. So we're always multiplying by the number 1. Whatever is in the parentheses is 1. The numerator is equal to the denominator. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. X divided by X is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So problem 1, we want to convert hertz to gigahertz. Sorry, we want to convert gigahertz to hertz. So we're going to start with 3.5 gigahertz, and we're going to multiply it by the number 1. So 10 to the 9 divided by 1 big G in parentheses is equal to 1. So we have a big G in the numerator, we got a big G in the denominator, they cancel. So we're going to go from gigahertz on the left to hertz on the right. So what changes? The magnitude changes. We have 3.50 on the left, we have 3.50 times 10 to the 9 on the right. We have gigahertz on the left and we have hertz on the right. Question 2, determine the number of meters in 40 centimeters. So on the left, we're going to have 40 centimeters. On the right, we're going to have meters. So 40 centimeters times what's in parentheses. And what's in parentheses is equal to the number 1. 1 times 10 to the minus 2 divided by 1c is equal to 1. Because the numerator is equal to the denominator. So for number 2, you see we're going to go from 40 on the left to 40 on the left to 0.4 on the right. We're going to go from centimeters on the left to meters on the right. Question 3. Determine the number of meters in 3.40 kilometers. So we're going to go from kilometers to meters. So you see this is a mistake here. It should not say hertz. It should say meters. Okay, that's my fault. It should say 3.40 kilometers times the number 1. What's in parentheses is the number 1. 10 to the 3 in the numerator is equal to 1 kilo on the denominator. So this is going to equal 3.40 times 10 to the 3 meters. There should be meters, not kilometers. My fault. Question 4. A man has a mass of 80 kilograms. We want 80 kilograms to be converted to pounds. So 80 kilograms, now what's in parentheses is equal to the number 1. So 1 pound in the numerator is 0.454 kilograms in the denominator. So on the left side, kilograms in the numerator divided by kilograms in the denominator cancel. So now we just get pounds. So 80 kilograms is about 1.76 times 10 to the 2 pounds. Question 5, how many seconds are in 70 years? So we're going to go from years on the left to seconds on the right. So 70 years, and I have 4 sets of parentheses. You could see each set of parentheses is equal to the number 1. There's 365 days in a year, 24 hours in a day, 60 minutes in 1 hour, 60 seconds in 1 minute. So on the left-hand side, we have years in the numerator, years in the denominator, days in the numerator, days in the denominator, hours in the numerator, hours in the denominator, minutes in the numerator, minutes in the denominator. Everything cancels. We just get seconds on the left side, so we get seconds on the right side. So we go from years to seconds, so we change the units, and we also change the magnitude. The meaning of magnitude is number. We're going to go from 70.0 to 2.21 times 10 to the 9. Question number 6. In 2009, Usain Bolt ran 100 meters in 9.58 seconds. If he continues to run at this rate, then how many meters will he run in a day? So look on the left-hand side. We have 100 meters over 9.58 seconds. So both of those are equal to each other. Usain Bolt ran 100 meters in 9.58 seconds. That means meters and seconds are the same. Now we're asking how long would he run in a day. So we're going to multiply that by 24 hours in a day, because 24 hours in 1 day are equal to each other. Times 60 minutes over an hour times 60 seconds over a minute. You see, everything cancels except for meters per day. So he's going to run about 9.02 times 10 to the 5 meters in a day. Question 7. In 2018, Eliud Kipchoge ran a marathon, which is 42.195 kilometers, in a record time of 2 hours, 1 minute, 39 seconds. If he continues to run at this constant rate, then how many meters will he run in 2 days? Okay, so let's convert 2 hours, 1 minute, 39 seconds to seconds. We get 72.99 seconds. Now let's do the unit conversion, step 2. So how long will he run in 2 days if he runs at the constant rate? So we'll start with 2 days. There's 24 hours in a day, 60 minutes in an hour, 60 seconds in a minute. Now 42.195 kilometers is equal to 72.99 seconds. We have distance equaling time. And there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So if he ran at that same rate over 2 days, he's going to run about 4.995 times 10 to the 5 meters. So this is a mistake here. Take out your calculator and do the conversion. Make sure you get 4.995 times 10 to the 5. Question 8. The circumference of Earth is about 40,075.017 kilometers from the equator. What is the circumference of the Earth in inches? So they gave us 40,075.017 kilometers. We're going to convert kilometers to meters. There's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. And then we're going to convert meters to inches. There's 39.370 inches in 1 meter. Remember, everything in parentheses is equal to the number 1. So there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So that's equal to 1. There's 39.370 inches in 1 meter. That's equal to the number 1. Question 9. The surface area of Earth is about 510,064,472 square kilometers. What is the surface area of the Earth in square inches? So, look at the unit conversion. 1,000 meters is 1 kilometer, and we square that because we're given kilometers squared. And there's 39.370 inches in 1 meter. We square that so we could get inches squared. Number 10, the volume of the Earth is about 1,083,206,916,846 cubic kilometers. What's the volume of the Earth in cubic inches? So look at this unit conversions. We multiplied by 1,000 meters divided by 1 kilometer, and we had to do that 3 times because we have kilometers cubed. And we have 39.370 inches divided by 1 meter, and we have to cube that because we want inches cubed. So kilometers cubed in the numerator cancels with kilometers cubed in the denominator. Meters cubed in the numerator cancels with meters cubed in the denominator. So now we just get inches cubed. Question 11, they give us the speed of light, and we want to know the distance light travels in 1 year. So we're given 299,792,458 meters per second. Multiply that by 1 year. And now we're going to convert meters times years over second to just kilometers. So we want to get rid of the years in the numerator and the seconds in the denominator. And you could see there's 6 sets of parentheses, and each parenthesis is equal to 1. There's 5 sets of parentheses because 1 year over 1, that's not a unit conversion. So we have 365.25 days in 1 year, 24 hours in a day, 60 minutes in an hour, 60 seconds in a minute, 1 kilometer in 1,000 meters. Everything cancels until we just get kilometers. Question 12, the density of gold is 19.32 grams per cubic centimeters. Cubic means to the 3rd power. What is the density of gold in kilograms per cubic meters? So we're going to go from grams to kilograms, centimeters to meters. You see there's 2 unit conversions I did because there's 2 sets of parentheses. Question 13, we're going to go from grams for cubic centimeters to pounds per cubic foot. So you could see the 4 sets of parentheses and how it was converted from grams to pounds and centimeters cubed to feet cubed. Finally, question 14, a man drinks 60 liters of water in a 30-day month. How many cubic meters of water does he drink per hour? There's 1,000 liters of water in 1 cubic meter. So you could see there's 2 sets of parentheses. 1 meter cubed in the numerator is equal to 1,000 liters in the denominator. And then 1 day in the numerator equals 24 hours in the denominator. You see liters in the numerator cancels with liters in the denominator. Meters cubed in the numerator don't cancel. Day in the numerator cancels with day in the denominator. So now we get meters cubed per hour